Hello class, welcome to 360 Academy. This is 500 most probably asked question for NEET 2020 series part 2 biological classification. If you want to score more in your NEET exam, subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can't miss any part of this series. So, let's begin. Biological classification chapter is really easy and NCERT is the bible for this chapter. You can easily gain about 12 to 16 marks from this chapter. Direct question comes from this chapter and the level of question is really very easy. You can't just think about missing this chapter if you have decided to become a doctor. So I have write down some important topics here. There is a table 2.1, the only table in this chapter, and which is very important. All examples: methanogens, heterocyst, mycoplasma, diatoms, red tides, cycle of fungi, TMV, bacteriophage, and summary. The question comes directly from these topics. You can't just think about missing it. Diagrams is really important. So let's begin the solving questions. Here is the first question. Enfolding of plasma membrane in bacteria are called as. The question is directly enfolding of the plasma membrane. You can say mesosomes are the answers because episomes does not belong to this. Plasmids is different and pili is related to locomotion. So mesosomes is the answer for this. Those who know the answer, comment below. The part 1 for this I will give in the link so that you can't miss it. Let's go to next question. Archibacterial cell legs. Those who know the answers, comment down your answer. So we know that archibacteria, which is belong to bacterial classification kingdom Monera. So this bacteria classification lacks a double membrane bounded structure. DNA, obviously they have, ribosomes they have, lipid chains they have. They only lack peptidoglycan chains. So this is the answer. Next question. Cell membrane of bacteria is made up of. You must know the membrane protein names so that right question, such kind of question always comes in NEET. So just those who know the answer, comment below and please subscribe this channel so I can get motivated to upload more and more video regarding this. Cell membrane of bacteria is made up of its lipid and protein. Cellulose is something present in plants. Chitin is present in fungi, and protein and cellulose. So you know the answer. Lipid and protein is the right answer for this. Next question. The diatoms do not easily decay like most of the others algae because. In such question, just get the elimination method. You can use the diatoms. Here you know the NCERT have the direct explanation for this in one line. Actually this line comes from NCERT. This is silica cell wall. There is a deposition of silica on the surface which is the strong and provide him strength from decaying. So third is the right answer. Shell of diatoms is made up of, I already explained, silica deposition is there in diatoms. That's why which provide them strength of decaying before decaying actually. So move to next question. NCERT is bible for NEET exam. You must go through this. Direct question are coming from this. You must aware from examples and their meanings also. Diagram you can't miss. Red tides are produced by. So here red tides, there is a direct answer for this. Brown algae no, red algae no. Diatoms is different. Dinoflagellates. Next question, which of the following causes wheat rust disease? This is a wheat rust disease is caused by fungi. So here is the algae can't possible. Algae mycoplasma is different. Fungi is the answer. The cell wall of fungi is composed of, I had already explained, you must know the cell wall of bacteria, cell wall of fungi. So direct question coming are from this. So chitin is the right answer for this. Move to next. Heterocyst present in Anabaena is specialized for. The most of the question come from heterocyst, and the answer is nitrogen fixation. We already know the there is a chain in Anabaena, and here the function for the N2 fixation in bacteria. In most of the plants like Azolla, they have. So nitrogen fixation is the answer. Such kind of question always come. Next question, mark the odd one with respect to cell wall. So here we can use that cell wall के against. We know halophils, methanogens, thermoacidophils all belongs to archaebacteria. The cyanobacteria belongs to eubacteria. So this come in one. Where is the odd? So fourth one is the answer. Primitive bacteria living in salty areas are called as. Here you get confused in two. Third is belongs to salty areas. The all NCERT explain this. Methanogens is different. Thermoacidophils for temperature. Here is heliophytes which belong to salty area. These are the archaebacteria which have strength to live in any condition, extreme condition actually. Now come to M. So question demand for non-Protestian group. We know that Christophytes are Protestian, slime molds are Protestian, dinoflagellates also, but Phycomycetes is a Protista, non-Protestian group. Next question. So quickly read the statement. Which of the following is correct? All slime molds are haploid. Protozoans lack cell wall. Dinoflagellates are non-motile. Penicilli is absent in Euglena. So we can say all slime lords. No, all slime lords need, some are haploids and some are diploid also. And dinoflagellates are non-motile. False. They are motile. Penicilli is absent. Basically these are present. So protozoans lack cell walls. Capsomers are belongs to. We know that capsomers belongs to virus. So this kind of direct question comes from this chapter. For more questions, and you must subscribe this channel so that you can get the series, you can become the part of this series. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel for more questions.